Thank you so much. I'm your brother, so great. You see, we must give thanks to God for NADECO, for being able to stand strong and say no to forgery, certificate forgery. For this reason, NADECO have taken bold steps to make sure the embarrassment Nigeria is going through will not be extended to ECOWAS. Consequently, NADECO have written to ECOWAS, telling them to investigate Tinubu's certificate saga. They need to investigate how a man attended secondary school, government college, Lagos, graduated in 1970, only for the college to be established 4 years after this Nigerian had already graduated. They are asking ECOWAS, since this man is your leader, it will be a terrible thing for you to have a leader who lacks moral authority, a leader with character issue. They are telling ECOWAS, take a second look at Tinubu's certificate saga, the Chicago full disclosure, because something made a man to go to court and say, if you must release my certificate, my diploma, hide the gender. That appeal by Tinubu to U.S. court to hide the gender, that one speaks volume. Another one has to do with the issue of do not release the transcript. Lo and behold, because US is not Nigeria, the magistrate, the judges there, they are of sound character. They will not take any nonsense from anybody. They cannot be compromised. Nobody will encroach on their independence. Nobody will encroach on their decision. Consequently, they took the right decision and full disclosure came to be. Only for us to hear of Black American, hear of female gender, hear of different multiple dates of birth and so many things. NADECO want ECOWAS to take a second look at who their chairman is and review this certificate saga, because it will be a tale of woe for that institution not to have a leader, who is suffering credibility problem. Thank God for NADECO. May God bless NADECO. Subscribe to this channel and share this video. God bless you.